How can you fix that problem you have on your Wallapop app? So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list. In here, can you looking for Wallapop app or just click here on search. Then add it here. You add here Wallapop. You click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on force stop. So then you click here on OK. Then you go down, click here on storage. Then you come to storage list. Just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your play. So you go to your Play Store, click on it, and you search for Wallapop. It's going to show for you like this. You will find your update. Click on it, so then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.